Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. Hyundai XD engine control module. This computer is giving temperature sensor fault. Let's see what's problem. Replace temperature sensor, but still it is giving fault. I don't have any circuit diagram, but just for inspection purpose I will open it and we will see if there is some possibility. Yes, this is visual damage. This track is burnt out from here. If this line is damaged, there is possible surge on this line. We need to check that one also. This track is connected at the same point, so we will make jumper here. Pin number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, and it is second line from here. Second line, pin number 8 and 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 8 and 9 together. Now we will trace its circuit. This line, then from here, this point, this side, okay, this point, this side, okay. .4K resistor, okay. This line, jumper, capacitor, okay. This jumper, okay. That means this signal that is coming out from this line, it was shorted near the sensor. That means there is no other damage in the PCB. So we need to give a try. So this is our main line that is connected to the signal. Now we will install this board in the car and we will check it. We connected the computer here and now the sensor is working good. Check engine fault now finished from the display. We installed the computer and the fans are off now. Before this the fans were spinning all the time, but now the computer started working and engine is now started. Before this check engine light was on permanently, but now when it is turned on it will turn off. इससे पहले ये चेक इंजन लाइट परमानेंटली ऑन थी, अभी देखिए ये ऑफ हो चुकी है. यहाँ पर टेम्परेचर भी शो हो रहा है, इससे पहले ये टेम्परेचर काम नहीं कर रहा था. If you enjoyed this process, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.